My dear students, today we can study a new type of question. If there is mistake in the underlined portion, correct it. First question, rat fever is a viral disease. Here the underlined word is viral. It is wrong. Rat fever is a bacterial disease. So the answer is rat fever is a bacterial disease. Question number 2. Bacteria is a eukaryote. Answer. Bacteria is a prokaryote. Third question. Corynebacterium diphtheriae is the bacteria that causes rat fever. This statement is wrong. The answer is Leptospira is the bacteria that causes rat fever. Number 4. Severe fever, headache, muscle pain, redness in the eyes, etc. are the major symptoms of diphtheria. The underlined portion is diphtheria. That is wrong. These are the major symptoms of rat fever or leptospirosis. Question number 5. Mycobacterium tuberculosis cause damage to blood capillaries. Here the underlined portion is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. This is wrong. The answer is Leptospira. Cause damage to blood capillaries. Question number 6. Leptospira reach blood through contaminated food and water. Here the underlined portion is contaminated food and water. We know that Leptospira reach the blood through wounds. So the answer is wounds. Question number 7. Rat fever spreads through cough, sneezing or directly from the infected person to another person. The underlined portion is rat fever. Here the answer is diphtheria. Question number 8. Tuberculosis affects the mucous membrane of the nose and the throat. Here the underlined portion is tuberculosis. That is wrong. The answer is diphtheria. Question number 9. Leptospira is the pathogen that causes diphtheria. Here the underlined portion is Leptospira and it is wrong. Corynebacterium diphtheriae is the pathogen that causes diphtheria. Question number 10. Toxins produced by the Mycobacterium tuberculosis cause fever, throat pain and inflammation in the lymph glands of the throat. Here the underlined portion is Mycobacterium tuberculosis and that is wrong. The answer is the toxins produced by the Corynebacterium diphtheriae cause fever, throat pain and inflammation in the lymph glands of the throat. Question number 11. BCG is used as preventive vaccine against diphtheria. Here the underlined portion is diphtheria. The answer is BCG is used as preventive vaccine against tuberculosis. Question number 12. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is the pathogen of rat fever. Here the underlined portion is rat fever. The answer is Mycobacterium tuberculosis is the pathogen of tuberculosis. Question number 13. Loss of body weight, fatigue, persistent cough are the major symptoms of diphtheria. Here the underlined portion is diphtheria. It is a wrong statement and the answer is tuberculosis. Question number 14. Hepatitis mainly affects the lungs. Here the underlined portion is hepatitis. It is wrong. The answer is tuberculosis. Question number 15. Kidneys, bones, joints, brain, etc. are also affected by leptospirosis. Here the underlined portion is leptospirosis. It is wrong. The answer is tuberculosis. Kidneys, bones, joints, brain, etc. are also affected by tuberculosis. Question number 16. Nipah is a bacterial disease. The underlined portion is bacterial. It is wrong. The correct answer is Nipah is a viral disease. Question number 17. Bacteria multiplies by taking control over the genetic mechanism of the host cells. Here the underlined portion is bacteria. The correct answer is virus multiplies by taking control over the genetic mechanism of the host cells. Question number 18. Natural vector of Nipah virus is pigs. The underlined portion is pigs. The correct answer is the natural vector of Nipah virus is fruit eating bats. Question number 19. HIV enters the body and multiplies using the genetic mechanism of monocytes. Here the underlined portion is monocytes. It is wrong. The correct answer is lymphocytes. HIV enters the body and multiplies using the genetic mechanism of lymphocytes. Question number 20. Hepatitis is a lung disease. Here the underlined portion is lung. It is wrong. Hepatitis is a liver disease. Question number 21. Persistent cough is a major symptom of hepatitis. Here the underlined portion is persistent cough. It is a wrong answer. The correct answer is inflammation of the liver is a major symptom of hepatitis. Question number 22. AIDS gets transmitted through contaminated food and water, blood components and excreta of the patient. Here the underlined portion is AIDS. This is wrong. The correct answer is hepatitis gets transmitted through contaminated food and water, blood components and excreta of the patient. Question number 23. Dengue fever and chikungunya are viral diseases. Here the underlined portion is viral. It is a correct statement. Dengue fever and chikungunya are viral diseases. Question number 24. Dengue fever and chikungunya are transmitted through contaminated food and water. Here the underlined portion is contaminated food and water. This is wrong. Dengue fever and chikungunya are transmitted through mosquitoes. Question number 25. Hepatitis is a skin disease. Here the underlined portion is hepatitis. The correct answer is ringworm is a skin disease. Question number 26. Athlete's foot manifests as round red blisters on the skin. The underlined portion is athlete's foot. This answer is wrong. The correct answer is ringworm manifests as round red blisters on the skin. Question number 27. Appearance of reddish scaly rashes that cause itching is the major symptom of ringworm. Here the underlined portion is ringworm. This is a wrong statement. The correct statement is appearance of reddish scaly rashes that cause itching is the major symptom of athlete's foot. Question number 28. Bacteria are unicellular eukaryotes. Here the underlined portion is bacteria. It is a wrong statement. The correct answer is protozoans are unicellular eukaryotes. Question number 29. Medication is the best preventive method for diphtheria. Here the underlined portion is medication. The correct answer is vaccination is the best preventive method for diphtheria. Question number 30. Ringworm spreads through contact. The underlined portion is ringworm. It is a correct statement. Question number 31. Malaria is an example of a disease caused by bacteria. Here the underlined portion is bacteria. It is a wrong statement. The correct answer is malaria is an example of a disease caused by protozoa. Question number 32. High fever with shivering and profuse sweating are the major symptoms of rat fever. Here the underlined portion is rat fever and it is a wrong statement. The answer is high fever with shivering and profuse sweating are the major symptoms of malaria. Question number 33. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium or spread by Culex mosquitoes. Here the underlined portion is Culex mosquitoes. This is a wrong statement. The correct answer is malaria is caused by Plasmodium or spread by female Anopheles mosquito. Question number 34. Hemophilia is an example of genetic disease. Here the underlined portion is hemophilia. It is a correct statement. Here the underlined word is correct. Question number 35. Genetic diseases are caused by defects in the genes that control the cellular activities. Here the underlined portion is genetic diseases and this is correct. Question number 36. Sickle cell anemia is the condition in which excess blood is lost even through minor wounds. Here the underlined portion is sickle cell anemia and it is wrong. The correct answer is Hemophilia is the condition in which excess blood is lost even through minor wounds. Question number 37. Hemophilia is a genetic disease in which red blood cells bend like a sickle and the oxygen carrying capacity decreases. Here the underlined portion is hemophilia and it is wrong. The correct answer is sickle cell anemia is a genetic disease in which red blood cells bend like sickle and the oxygen carrying capacity decreases. Question number 38. Cancer is caused by the uncontrolled division of cells and they are spread to other tissues. Here the underlined portion is cancer and it is correct. Question number 39. Hemophilia may be due to environmental factors, smoking, radiations, virus, hereditary factors, etc. Here the underlined portion is hemophilia and it is wrong. The correct answer is cancer may be due to environmental factors, smoking, radiations, virus, hereditary factors, etc. Question number 40. Surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, etc. are extensively used in the treatment of hemophilia. Here, the underlined portion is hemophilia. It is wrong. The correct answer is surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, etc. are extensively used in the treatment of cancer. Question number 41. Genetic diseases are caused by unhealthy living styles. Here the underlined portion is genetic diseases. It is wrong. The correct answer is lifestyle diseases are caused by unhealthy living styles. Question number 42. The change in food habits, lack of physical exercise, mental stress, bad habits like consumption of alcohol, drug abuse, smoking, etc. lead to various genetic diseases. Here, the underlined portion is genetic diseases. It is wrong. The correct answer is the changes in food habits, lack of physical exercise, mental stress, bad habits like consumption of alcohol, drug abuse, smoking, etc. lead to various lifestyle diseases. Question number 43. Diabetes is the deficiency of glucagon or its malfunctioning. Here, the underlined portion is glucagon. It is wrong. The correct answer is diabetes is the deficiency of insulin or its malfunctioning. Question number 44. Fatty liver is the deposition of excess fat in the liver. The underlined portion is fatty liver. It is a correct statement. Question number 45. Stroke is the rupture of blood vessels in the body, block of blood flow. Here, the underlined portion is body. It is a wrong statement. Stroke is the rupture of blood vessels in the brain, block of blood flow. Question number 46. Stroke is the decrease in the diameter of arteries due to deposition of fat. Here, the underlined portion is stroke and this statement is wrong. The correct answer is hypertension. Question number 47. Stroke is the block of blood flow due to the deposition of fat in coronary arteries which carry blood to the heart. Here the underlined portion is stroke and this is wrong. The correct answer is heart attack is the block of blood flow due to the deposition of fat in coronary arteries which carry blood to the heart. Question number 48. Anthrax is a viral disease. The underlined portion is viral and it is wrong. Anthrax is a bacterial disease. Question number 49. Foot and mouth disease is a viral disease seen in animals. Here, the underlined portion is viral. It is a correct statement. Question number 50. Quick wilt in pepper is caused by bacteria. Here, the underlined portion is bacteria. And it is a wrong statement. The correct answer is quick wilt in pepper is caused by fungus. Question number 51. Mosaic disease in peas and tapioca is caused by bacteria. Here the underlined portion is bacteria and it is wrong statement. The correct answer is mosaic disease in peas and tapioca is caused by virus. Question number 52. Bunchy top of banana is caused by virus. Here, the underlined portion is virus and it is correct. Question number 53. Blight disease in paddy is caused by virus. Here the underlined portion is virus. It is wrong. The correct answer is blight disease in paddy is caused by bacteria. Question number 54. Inflammation of udder is caused by bacteria. Here the underlined portion is bacteria and it is correct. Question number 55. Bud rot of coconut is caused by bacteria. Here the underlined portion is bacteria. It is wrong. And the correct statement is bud rot of coconut is caused by fungus.